Hey everyone, Scott with the Gringo in Mexico. We're here in Mexicali for the Parrilla Fest tomorrow, and we're here the night before watching Chef Dante Ferrero get ready to roast 1,000-pound vaca, or a cow, over these fires overnight. And hopefully it'll be done in time tomorrow for us to all enjoy. Pretty impressive. He's known for this kind of grilling. You see they're starting fires at all four corners. Just now starting them. There's Dante right there. Dante, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien,
That's
saludos.
the man right there, the master Ferrero. It doesn't get much better than this, folks.
Uno en cada esquina, ya saben, chicos, 4 y los otros apoyando. Vamos un poquito, vamos, uno en cada esquina, muchachos. Nosotros, falta uno cada.
Looks like they're going to give the cow a turn here. This is a man's job. Sorry, ladies. I'm sure some of you could do it, but this is a 1,000-pound cow.
Ahí va.
I'm gonna step back and just let these guys do their thing.
Listo, ya.
This is a carnivore's dream. That's Pablo, and he's a master churrasco guy from Brazil. He's here to help judge the competition this weekend. Very impressive.
Agua, sal.
Agua y sal.
Por favor. Le ayudan a la chef.
Dante calls for a little bit of water and a little bit of salt. So let the seasoning begin. We'll check back in tomorrow with the Gringo in Mexico. The Parrilla Fest held by the Rotary Club here in Mexicali. It's going to be a delicious affair, folks.